I'm Chris Craig. I'm from a Rakahungan family. I have been working for the Pacific Resort for 18 years, and my position is the Chief Engineer. The best aspect of my role is actually working with a fantastic team at Pacific Resort, offering the ultimate holidays for our guests. Happy guests, happy Chris. In their work environment, I always make sure that their home environment is absolutely fantastic, because they cannot perform with me and my department team unless their home life is absolutely perfect too. I consider absolute guest satisfaction when our guests return to their family and friends from when they came from, and brag what a fantastic holiday they had at the Pacific Resort. The cuisine, the gardens, the weather, and of course the staff.